How to hide your last send from specific contacts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your last send from specific contacts on WhatsApp. First go to WhatsApp, and here we'll find these 3 points in the top corner, and here we'll find settings. Click on it, and then just click this one, account, and here we'll find privacy. Click on it, and then click last send, and click my contacts, this one here, and select it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.